Hey guys, welcome back to DelfStack, and today I will be showing you how to change Waze to English. So first thing is you could just simply go ahead and tap on the Waze application into your device. Now, over here on your Waze, if you have other language and you cannot understand everything, select the three lines on the top left corner of the screen. And now this one will pop up and you will have a bunch of icons. So just simply select the gear icon over here. It will be the settings. So select the gear icon. And now here on the gear icon, you will have the first one, general, which is the gear icon again. So go ahead and tap on the gear icon over here. And now from here, you will have the first option, language. So just simply go ahead and tap on it. And from here, you could just simply scroll to the very top and mostly you should be able to find English over here. And pretty much if you followed along, you should be able to change the ways to English language. And pretty much you could select other languages as well that the ways have to offer over here. And pretty much this will be depending on you. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.